In this video, I want to show you the fastest way I think that you can get coins in Club Penguin. Using this method right over here, I've earned about 10,000 coins per hour, and the point is just to leave it on overnight, so you can do the math right over there. Firstly, in order for this to work, we need to have two things installed on our computer. I'm doing it on Windows, but the process should be similar for a Mac or Linux, whatever you're on. First of all, you're going to need Python installed right over here. If you're not familiar with Python, I'll just link this video in the description that you can watch. But the main thing you have to understand is when you're downloading Python, you got to make sure you check this pip thing. This pip thing is very much necessary in this tutorial. Now, the second thing we're going to be needing is actually a script. So, as you guessed it right over here, we're going to be digging for coins, but we're not going to be doing it manually. A script is going to be doing it for us. And the script that I found, so this isn't my script, but credit to the owner, on GitHub. So I'll link this in the description as well. Basically, what we're going to be doing right over here is just click clone or download and click download zip right over here. Now, after you've done that, go ahead and open it up. So I have it opened up right over here. And so we're going to see three files: AFK coin miner, screen position, and README. Don't really worry about these two. The main thing is this one right over here. Go ahead and open your terminal or PowerShell, whatever you want, command prompt, right over here. Now we're going to be running this AFK thing. So what I'm going to be typing in is Python 3, and if you follow the tutorial, this should automatically be in your environment variable, so you can just do it from that. And then I'm going to type in AFK miner. Now the first thing you might see, or you might not see this, but it depends, is this requires a module called py input. I think it's py input, I think that's what it's called, and that's the entire point of pip. So if you're getting this message, that means you have to install the module. So what I'm going to be doing is go ahead and navigate to your Python directory, wherever you saved it, and then we're going to be going inside of scripts, and you're going to see pip right over here, pip3. So again, open up PowerShell, whatever you need to. Then we're going to be typing in Python pip3, and then install pynput. And then we're just going to wait for that to complete. It's going to download it, and then it's done. So we cancel this now. We don't need this Python folder anymore. So now, I'm going to clear the screen. Now if I run it, you're going to see it gives us a couple of options. So you can go ahead and read the source code, but I'm just going to try to explain it very manually. So basically, right over here, we have the option of entering the number of iterations. So you can think of this as like the click time, or how many clicks happen. The dig time, so like how long we wait in one location, and you really don't need walk time or anything else, or mine distance, anything else. So how we're actually going to be running this is you need to provide in x1, y1, x2, y2, and what these actually correspond to is the top leftmost corner of the mine and the bottom rightmost corner of the mine. So these two locations right over here. How we're going to be getting them is from this other program right over here that I've also linked in the description. So just go ahead and run it. When you do run it, after you move your mouse, you're going to be able to see this thing right over here. So I'm just gonna measure this step right over here as like my top left. So it looks like it's 633, 644. So go ahead and write that down: 633, 644. And my bottom right is, let's see, right over here. It's 1114 and 906. So after you have those two numbers, how we're actually going to be running the program right over here is, so let's actually go ahead and cancel this. We're going to be typing in this, and then 633, my x1, 644, my y1, 1114, and 906. Okay, so if you just press enter right over here, and then go ahead back onto the window, what you're going to be seeing, actually, I forgot one thing. I didn't wear my hard helmet, of course, so let's wear the helmet. So we're actually going to have to wait for this one to complete, but let's just wait. Okay, so it's moving on its own, and it's going to start ticking. Now, these are completely random movements, so it's not like we're following like a specific path. These are completely random, and you know, I'm getting coins. So I get about 10,000 coins every hour that I do this, and so you can just do it overnight. Now, there's still a couple of things, so don't click off just yet. So I'm going to stop the script by pressing Ctrl+C. Usually what I like to do here is the number of iterations. So this is like the number of clicks you get. I like to set it towards maybe like, I don't know, try it out, maybe like 10,000, and then see how long it takes for you to do 10,000 clicks, and then you can increase it or decrease it from there. But another thing that you need to do is, if you go under settings, you need to click hide penguins, and just click hide names as well. And the main reason for this is because if there's more penguins here, then when the mouse clicks, it might actually click on a penguin, and then it's gonna mess up the entire thing right over here. So that's one thing you have to do. If you don't have these two options, so I'm guessing everyone does, but if you don't, then the other thing you can do is just click yourself and just move yourself to the right. So now what happens is, if by chance we click another penguin, their information is going to be on the right of the screen, so it's not really going to disturb our information right over here. So yeah, again, in summary, all you need to do is you run it right over here, enter your x1, y1, x2, y2, and then the number of iterations. You really don't need to set the dig time or anything. The dig time by default it is 10 seconds, but you can look in the source code if you want some more information on that. So this just about wraps the video. I'm going to be just doing a time lapse after, so you can actually see that I do indeed get about 10,000 coins. And yeah, good luck with Club Penguin.